Exciting news, you guys. This video is sponsored by me, Tara Johnson. Go over to workitgirlfit.com and pick up some resistance bands. I plan in the future to have apparel and more workout equipment, but for now we have resistance bands. Go ahead and type thank you and receive $5 off. All links will be in the description bar down below. Thank you for your support. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to get what? Scrumptious. It's going to be a typical video, but I'm trying a new method. It's like time under tension. So we're trying to get these muscles, okay? So it's in the hypertrophy. Put the word right here, you know what I'm saying? I majored in English, but it ain't all there. This is when you're trying to plump the muscles, you know, get more defined so you can be scrumptious. So yeah, we're gonna be using the time under tension. So we're gonna go real slow when we execute. So when we first do our first motion, it's gonna be, you know, a real thrust. And then when we release, we're gonna go slow, maybe like a 2 second to 3 second release. You feel me? So we can be defined and scrumptious.
Clock on red, I made a name for myself. I can't lie, I'm doing well for my age. My dogs said they're praying on my downfall. Well, they just choosing the casket, now they souls in the grave. I'm a star right, gotta bark right. I induce pain, I am Luke Kane, mix a Bruce Wayne. I'm a Dark Knight, watch you stargaze. Got a hard bite, I'm a dog at the leash, better talk right. Bet I do this, not a new kid, been a student. You're a doofus, on the real, leave you clueless. When I shoot shit, style too crisp, and I let it all hang out like a nudist. Oh, you wanna know who I am? Oh, you wanna know me? Well, I'm the man, thought you knew. Now you know what it do. I'm a 94, baby, swanking like a brand new Mercedes. And I'm dapping down on my feet and my ride too clean. Wake up every morning, hand a lemon to my tea. Moral of the story is, you are you, and I am me. Just be. I'm a gentleman, now I'm settled in. Even when they said don't let them in, I said guess again. What's the way I walk into a room and everybody stare? Godfather like presence, everybody know I'm here. Stepping right into my office, pouring bourbon on the rocks. Toast to the homies that could never see the light, and the haters that forever see my ghost. What a night, ah man. Oh, you wanna know who I am? Oh, you wanna know me?
With the squats, try to get as low as possible, you know, ass to the grass. And also when you come back up, thrust, like you know what I'm saying? So you can really get those glutes pumping and growing. And then also go slow. So when you drop down, you know, go down slow, pop back up, so you can really I won't say you targeting, you can't really quite target, but you can really grow those glutes, okay? Like, you want to let them know that you are coming for them, and make sure that your knees are not in front of your actual toes, okay? Because we don't want you to have improper form. All right, that's all I got for you. All right, next we're gonna go on to good mornings.
And I am me, just be. Talk on red, I made a name for myself. I can't lie, I'm doing well for my dogs said they're praying on my downfall. Well, they just choosing the casket, now they souls in the souls. I'm the man, thought you knew. Now you know what it do. I'm a 94, baby.
Okay family, so we made it to the end of the video. We're going to be doing squats. If you can't do the jump squat that I'm about to show you, then you can do the side squat on each side without a jump. So because if you have bad knees, then you know you. and your doctor do too. But we're gonna be using resistance bands. The ones I'm gonna be using are by Work It Girl Fitness, by Tara Johnson. My website is down below, so if you're interested in getting some non-slip fabric, you know, durable, you know what I'm saying, resistance bands, the link is down below. And so I'll be using the medium size, or the medium resistance, which is our pink band. And so let's get into it. Also forgot to tell you, this is our finisher of our workout, so you will be doing 50 on your own. So you can do it, girl. This is it. Burn those glutes. Guys, we did it. We made it through another video, another exercise. So if you enjoyed this video, let me know what was your favorite exercise that I showed you today. If you have any glute or, you know, thigh exercise that you enjoy, please let me know. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.